Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sean or Mustang 09 bringing you a new video, and today we are in the driveway with the Mustang and it's freezing cold, so we're doing this out of pure love and joy for cars, for you guys, for the YouTube channel. And it's starting to sprinkle, actually. I don't know if you can tell on the car. We have some moisture coming down from the air. But what we're doing today is I want to introduce you again to my neighbor Chase and his Camaro. This is Chase.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
And so what we're going to do is I want to do a walk around of his car. We got our cars head to head here, and that is for a reason. Today's Saturday, and we were actually supposed to go to the track today, but because of the cold and the wet, they closed it down, so we couldn't go. So I figured what better time to do an introduction than now, and we'll knock it out, and then the next time the track opens, we'll be able to go, maybe do some head-to-head stuff. Yeah. And then, yeah, so we're going to do a walk around to Chase's car real quick. He's going to run you through some of the mods, so any of my Camaro fans on the channel, today is your day. All right, Chase, take it away.
All right, so I have my 2013 Camaro. She just rolled over 76,000 miles last night, so we know she's reliable. Really, the only things I have done to it, I have some Texas Speed long tube headers, catless connection pipes, and I have the stock MPP mufflers, which the valve is open all the time. For all you real Camaro fans, you know what I'm talking about.
And I heard Texas Speed, so any of you Cletus fans, that's exactly who he uses.
I actually wore my
he's
Leroy.
repping the...
I actually wore my Leroy shirt today.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah, buddy.
There it is.
And we also have one of the most important mods to the car.
Oh, yeah.
These Do It For Dale stickers that Cletus actually gave me at FL2K last year because I was wearing this shirt when he signed it.
Yeah, so Chase, he is in the Navy, and he used to live in Florida, but now he moved back to Texas, and so that's why he was down at FL2K getting to meet Cletus and doing all that fun stuff.
Super awesome guy, really is. But then we have some Eurotech wheels. I bought them off some dude used, but you know, they look all right, but I can fit some fat 315s in the rear, so lots of traction whenever it's actually warm. And other than that, all we got is long tube headers, wheels, and some awesome stickers.
And the stickers, the one adds 3 horsepower, maybe 300 for the
it
Dell. And then Texas Speed Performance, that just means don't mess with me, because we're
right.
serious.
That's right. And it's also tuned by Advanced Modern Performance up in Grand Prairie. So if any of y'all need some tuning stuff, go to them. They're awesome.
So back to the drag strip talk.
Yeah.
How many times have you been down the drag strip?
I've been down. I haven't been in the last 5 years. Probably like 6 or 7 times before that.
So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, since I've been going regularly, that one time we go and you just run on your street tires, and I'll run on my slicks, but I'll also bring my street tires to practice on, because I haven't run this car on street tires since I've owned my slicks, which has been about a year now. So I definitely need to get some practice on that. Yeah, you got to get some practice on the light and just launching and everything, getting I don't know, reintroduced to the track, so to say. So what we want to do is, I think, well, next weekend you're moving, actually.
Yeah.
So introduction to my neighbor who's now moving. He's actually living with his wife's grandparents while they're coming back here from Florida. So he bought a new house. It's not very far. It's actually on the way to the drag strip.
That's right.
So that's super convenient. And he's going to have a garage of his own.
That's right. Finally have a garage after not having one my entire life.
Yeah, so there we go. We'll be able to go to his house and mod his car and hang out in his garage and drink cold beer, and he'll be able to come back over here and do the same.
That's right. They even got a garage fridge coming.
Oh, he's got a garage fridge. He's got one up on me. I don't have a garage fridge.
There we go, buddy.
I just got a frigid garage. So But yeah, so I can't wait to get back to the track. What I want to do, though, is get a cold start of his car and then maybe go out back into my famous warehouse district and do some flybys and really get to hear this thing run and maybe take a ride in it. So let's do that.
Let's do it.
Ooh, listen to that. Got a little bit of blah, 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 blah. That's that cold light.
Yeah, buddy.
Sounds really good. It's loud. I think his car might be louder than mine for sure. Those long tubes, they really do a lot for the sound.
We got our Texas Speed long tubes in here. Stock intake because it flows good enough for now until we put a cam in it.
Yeah, there you go. There's the headers down there.
Real good view over here.
Yeah, there you go. Looks good. Looks good. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Looks as good as it sounds. That's a good combo.
Yeah, I love the way it sounds. That is probably my favorite thing about this car now.
Alrighty, so right now we're gonna head to the warehouse district, maybe get some revs because we're in a neighborhood right now and we don't want to bother everybody with loud muscle cars. So we're gonna go back there, make a lot of noise, make some ruckus, get some flybys for you guys. We'll be safe. It's not too wet on the ground just yet. But yeah, so we're gonna hop in his car and we're gonna go that way. Dude, it's been a while since I've been in a Camaro. Here goes nothing. Pray for me, people. It's pretty funny how we're so similar but so different because we both have 2013s black, which are the really good years. I would dare to say. I'm biased. He's biased to have the cars.
Best year.
And but he's total Camaro and I'm total Mustang, so it's pretty cool.
Oh yeah. We'll take it right here.
Alrighty. Dang, that thing is loud. Standing behind it, my ear. Woo! All right, he's gonna do a flyby here, and he said he's gonna try and be like 4,500, 5,000 RPMs, so that we can hear it. Looking forward to this one. Let me get on this side of the road. Here he comes. He was cooking. I was expecting like second gear. I think he was in third gear going by on that one. The hard stop. Yeah, you got the big boys. I don't got the big Brimbos.
There you go. That was 100 pass by.
Golly. We'll bleep out the mile an hour.
55.
It was 55. It was fast.
55 mile an hour.
Holy cow! I need to buckle up. I will let you know I'm a horrible passenger. I get scared.
Oh well, it's a Camaro. It's not a Mustang. And
Yeah,
there's no crowds.
there's no
so
crowds.
it's okay.
There's the Mustang joke. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. Alrighty, so we're gonna do. He's gonna repeat the same thing he just did when he flew by, but with me in the car. So here we go.
All right.
Oh, and the Brimbos! Hard stop.
Brimbos.
Yeah, I don't have those.
I've never stopped that hard in this car.
She goes, man.
Yeah, 0 to
She will
55 is great.
Yeah, that was I was impressed with just the traction too, because how cold it is outside.
It's these 315s.
Yeah, you got the big meats. I don't have the big meats like that, so
They're fat.
and they're fresh.
Yeah, these back ones are fresh.
Just got them.
They're only a couple months old.
Back to the house.
Back to the house.
Back to the house. We're switching roles. Sorry, it's blown out on the camera, but he wants to hear it go by. He hasn't heard it drive by with the exhaust, so
Do a good flyby.
I am in the driver's seat. What was the directions?
Yeah, just fly by me and make sure you're going fast. I want to hear it.
Oh boy, here we go. Here goes nothing. All right, don't stall it, Sean. Don't stall it.
Yeah, don't stall. The clutch throws really long.
Yeah, I'm feeling that. Okay, here we go. First time driving a Camaro. Woo! I didn't get on it as hard as he did, but we'll circle around. We shouldn't give it back. We should just leave them. It's nice. It's nice. That was fun.
How was your Camaro experience?
It was good. That was my first time ever driving a Camaro, so
Oh man.
I liked it. I will say, with this factory Hertz shifter, it's really nice. It's not sloppy like a stock Mustang shifter. No. The MT82 transmission.
I felt a stock Mustang one, and then we put a Hearst into my other buddy's Mustang, and it was way
night and day difference.
Yeah.
The clutch, I will say, the clutch is a lot longer, it feels, on this car.
The engagement's only at the top.
It's
like the top little bit, but it has that extra throw at the end that you're kind of like, oh, it takes a while to get used to.
Wasn't bad though. It rips and it sticks. Like, it hooked.
Yeah.
Like there, I didn't feel any traction loss at all. And when I flipped around to come get them, it was first gear, and I just and it didn't even break loose. I don't even think it barked the tires, which was good.
Yeah.
The Continental's they're warmed up from.
Yeah, and I also have it in competition mode, which kind of helps you control that.
Okay.
You can completely turn it off, and it'll just light them up the whole time.
Oh,
So
gotcha.
if you stabbed it in first gear, it just go.
I gotcha. I gotcha.
This competition mode really helps put that traction down.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. That would definitely be helpful on when you're running somebody on the road, on the street.
Yeah, buddy.
Back at the house. Man, she's a ripper, dude. Yeah. She's a ripper. I'm excited about that. I think it'll be pretty good at the track.
Yeah.
Like, heads up with us.
I think so.
Especially if I do the street tires. I mean, I think that's only right. He hasn't ever had it on the dyno, so we don't know any real numbers.
Yeah, from what the forum said, with long tubes and a tune, they're about 410 to the wheels.
Okay, so then we'd be really close, because I think mine did like 407 or something when I went and got it tuned.
Weigh like 300 or 400 pounds lighter than me.
I do.
Yeah, and I also right now have like 200 pounds worth of.
Oh yeah. That's helping with the traction. Yeah. I forgot about this. This
is my garage right now, since I don't have one.
This is why he's excited to get the house.
Yes, I have tools and all sorts of stuff. I got a torque wrench back here. I got some extra oil.
He's got boots.
I got a jack.
Oh, he's got a whole jack back there.
Apparently there's a Jack in the Box thing I didn't know was back there.
Oh yeah.
I don't eat Jack in the Box, so I really don't know whose that is.
We eat Jack in the Box after we've drank a lot. That's the only time.
I remember in high school you used to go get the munchie box after 9 o'clock.
That's right. Man. If you want to get somebody for drunk driving, go to a Whataburger drive-thru late at night or a Jack in the Box drive-thru late at night. Well, man, that was awesome, dude. Yeah. I love the car. Thanks. I mean, I think it looks killer. It obviously runs great. It was cool to drive it. That was my first time ever driving a Camaro, so I liked it. It was fun. It's always cool to drive new cars. Like,
it's about to be Moo Camaro 09.
Yeah. Calmaro. We'll copy that other guy. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the Camaro content, hey, let me know in the comments below. My feelings won't be hurt. I'm excited to get out to the track with Chase. We can run them heads up and see what they do. So, you got anything else to say? Instagram?
Yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's Walker Texas 925, I think.
Yeah, I'll put a link. It'll see it on the screen here, and then I'll put a link in the description so you click on it. Yeah. We're gonna make him post more content. So
yeah, I'm trying to get more photos going. I almost took a picture with a blue Z06 yesterday, but my wife was with me and she didn't. She was like, "No, don't do that."
My wife gets funny too about hopping out and taking pictures of cars. So, but yeah, man, thanks for bringing it out in the little mist weather we have here.
Yeah, of course.
And I look forward to going to the track with you, dude.
Oh yeah, of course.
So if you like what you saw, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. I'll say it once again, we're really close to 10,000 subs. I think we're like a little over 250 out. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you back here next time. Take it easy. Peace. Thank you.